Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at your next car of the 420D M Sport Convertible. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through both major talking points and features of the exterior and interior. Then of course I'll take a seat inside. I'll begin by popping the roof up, allow you to have a look at that in action, and of course give you a bit more in-depth information about the interior details. The vehicle, as you can see, is presented in the Melbourne Red. Alongside that, we've fitted the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, which really does add very nicely to the exterior styling of this vehicle. Alongside that, we've fitted the brand new 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. You'll also see sitting behind those very nice alloy wheels, this vehicle does come with the full BMW M Sport Plus pack. This is noted by the very large M Sport Plus brakes, both front and rear, alongside some other options which I'll get to. The vehicle is a 2015 15 plate, and you'll also see the Angel Art and Xenon headlamps. Down the side of the car, we've got the gloss black air breathers, gloss black side bars, satin side vinyls, and YNC Mperformance stickers as well. Already on show, thanks to having the roof down, we've got that very striking black Dakota leather, which works so nicely with the exterior colour. Inside the car, not only have we got that black Dakota leather, it comes with both the heated option, also comes with the air collar, as you can see there, but also the seats move electrically along with memory settings for the driver's side. Again, thanks to the M Sport Plus pack, it comes with the Harman Kardon surround sound, as you can see there, and the interior trim itself is finished in the Grand Piano black trim, as you can see there, and both down on the centre trim piece there. Rear seats for the 4 Series Convertible is the Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, which also has a centre folding armrest and the centre drinks tray and storage. And of course, having the roof down really does give you all that headroom you could need. And even with the roof up, it is a very spacious place to sit, whether you are sat in the rear or front of the 4 Series Convertible. So on towards the rear of the vehicle, not before showing you off these alloy wheels once again, which of course are all brand new, as I've mentioned, so they are all unmarked and look very nice set against this incredibly nice convertible. So at the rear of the car, we've got both a high gloss rear diffuser and matching spoiler, and we'll open up the boot and show you just what can be achieved in the boot space of a convertible 4 Series. So of course we've currently got that hard top folded away nice and neatly and everything tucked away. However, BMW give you this little idea, a nifty little button, so we can partly lift everything back out of the boot to gain access to the luggage capacity, which for a convertible is definitely one of the largest in its class. So once that's lifted up, we simply lift the luggage tray cover open, and there you can see just how large that is and how clean and tidy everything is in there, along with the genuine BMW floor mats, which will of course accompany the vehicle. And then to simply pop everything back away, close that down, and the roof will fold neatly back into its storage hold. And of course, until we fold that fully back to the closed position very shortly when I step inside the car. Moving around towards the other side, just before stepping inside, I'm going to show you how nicely presented this vehicle really is in that Melbourne Red. Definitely one of the prime colours for the convertible 4 Series, in my opinion. So we're going to head on inside now, because there is yet more special things and features to show you on this car. There is the memory controls, as I was mentioning earlier, for the seats, power folding mirrors, extended storage, which is noted down here, and we've got a few more cubby holes around the car to store various things in. Always useful to have that in any vehicle. So we'll begin by starting the vehicle up, and of course, as I mentioned, we'll get the roof coming up, which again is a very easy, quick, simple thing to do. Simply push this button forward and the roof will begin to come up. The vehicle, as you can see there, has covered just over 49,000 miles. Also has the professional wide navigation and media screen, and also comes with the convertible comfort package, which we'll explore very shortly. In the meantime, there you can see the dual climate control with the heated seats, which is currently in operation, again as part of that convertible comfort package. And as you've just heard by that little bong, that means the roof movement is now complete. So down here is the air collar controls, and just down here we've got the steering wheel heating setting, again to finish off that convertible comfort package, which means we'll have a very nice warm M Sport multifunction steering wheel. Alongside that, we've got the paddles for the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise control and voice and volume controls also situated on there. Moving on to the other features of this very nice navigation screen. As you can see there, a very user-friendly system, along with the Bluetooth, which is not only for telephone, it's also for Bluetooth audio. There's also a wide array of other multimedia inputs, and we've also got DAB along with FM and AM, of course. Okay, so that will pretty much finish off our walk around video. Of course, we'll just quickly go into the service requirements and service status of the car before I step back outside and show you this vehicle with the roof all the way up. There you can see it's not due a service for 15,000 miles and does come with BMW service history, which you can see on screen now. So with all our videos, I do hope you found this walk around video useful. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below. Where as always, I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find in the description all of the relevant contact information and of course a link to our website to check this very nice vehicle out in further detail, along with the prices and of course all of the finance options that are available for this car, along with all of our other incredible examples. Thanks for watching, do take care, and we hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you, goodbye.